Here's the problem with most AI video tools right now. They are powerful, but they usually sit outside the edit. If you are working inside DaVinci Resolve and suddenly need an AI shot, a background replacement, a clean key, a LUT, or an upscale, the workflow gets interrupted immediately. You leave Resolve, you open a browser, you upload the footage, you wait for the generation. Then you download the result, import it back into Resolve, place it on the timeline, and check if it actually works with the cut. That might sound small, but if you do it 10 times inside one project, it kills momentum. Editing is about flow. You are watching pacing, sound, timing, color, movement, and story at the same time. The moment you jump between tools, that flow breaks. And most AI tools were not built around an editor's timeline. They do not know what clip comes before or after. They do not know whether you need vertical, horizontal, alpha, 4K, or a specific color direction. They are useful, but disconnected. So the question is not, can AI make video? We already know it can. The question is, can AI become part of the editing workflow without forcing you to leave the editing workflow? That is what makes Higgsfield's DaVinci Resolve plugin interesting. Instead of treating AI as a separate web tool, Higgsfield brings 7 AI tools directly into Resolve, so you can stay in the same workspace. Less exporting, less uploading, less file juggling, more time actually editing. Higgsfield has brought 7 AI tools directly into DaVinci Resolve. 7 plugins, 1 installer, and 1 panel inside Resolve. The tools are Generate AI Video, Generate AI Image, AI LUT Creator, Reframe, Remove Background, Draw to Edit, and Upscale. So this is not just one AI effect. It is more like an AI toolkit for post-production. The setup is simple. You go to Higgsfield's website, download the installer, and run it on your machine. It supports Apple Silicon Macs, Intel Macs, and Windows. On Mac, you open the package, drag Higgsfield into Applications, and launch the installer. It detects DaVinci Resolve automatically, so you do not have to copy plugin files manually. Once it is installed, open DaVinci Resolve, go to Workspace, then Workflow Integrations, and choose Higgsfield. Now the Higgsfield panel opens inside Resolve. You can dock it into your workspace and keep it available while you edit. That is the important part. The AI tools are not in another browser tab anymore. They are inside the interface where you are already making editing decisions. One detail to remember, this does not work with the App Store version of DaVinci Resolve. You need the version downloaded from Blackmagic Design's website. But if you are running DaVinci Resolve 19 or newer on Mac or Windows, both the free version and Resolve Studio are supported. So you do not need Resolve Studio just to test the workflow. You can install it, open a real project, and see if it actually saves steps. The first 2 tools are Generate AI Video and Generate AI Image. These are for moments where you need to create something new instead of only fixing footage you already have. Maybe you need cinematic B-roll. Maybe you need an abstract animation to explain an idea. Maybe you need a background, a transition visual, or a scene that would take too long to shoot. Normally, that means leaving Resolve and using a separate AI video generator. With Higgsfield, you can do it from the panel. You describe the shot, generate it, and bring it into the edit. That matters because a generated clip is only useful if it works in context. It might look good by itself, but does it match the pacing? Does it support the narration? Does it belong in the scene? When generation happens closer to the timeline, you can answer those questions faster. Generate AI Image works the same way, but for still visuals. You can create backgrounds, overlays, title cards, concept frames, scene elements, or design assets that support the video. The value is speed. Generate, test, adjust, and keep cutting. Now the tool I think a lot of editors and colorists will care about is the AI LUT Creator. A lot of color work starts with a reference. A client sends a screenshot and says, "Can we make it feel like this?" Or you find a film still, a mood board, a photo, or a color palette that matches the direction you want. Normally, matching that look takes time. You adjust contrast, saturation, shadows, highlights, hue, skin tones, and overall mood until the footage starts moving in the right direction. AI LUT Creator speeds up that starting point. You upload a reference image, photo, still, or palette. Higgsfield analyzes the tone, contrast, and color mood, then creates a LUT you can use directly in Resolve. You still need to check exposure, skin tones, and whether the grade fits the actual footage, but it gives you a fast starting point. For client work, you can quickly turn a visual reference into a look and test it on the footage. For editors, it saves the boring first stage of manually matching a reference from scratch. And because it happens inside Resolve, it fits naturally into the color workflow. The LUT is created where you need it, inside the edit. Now let's go through the rest of the tools. Reframe is for one of the most common problems in modern editing. One video needs to become multiple formats. A YouTube video might be 16 by 9. A short-form version needs to be 9 by 16. A client might also want square, vertical, and horizontal exports from the same shoot. The old way is manual cropping. You duplicate the timeline, change the resolution, reposition every clip, and keep checking if the subject stays in frame. Reframe uses AI to track the focal point and adjust the framing automatically as the aspect ratio changes. Remove background is for clean subject cutouts without a green screen. Maybe you want to place a person over a graphic background, isolate a product, or build a quick composite. Background removal can get messy, especially around hair, soft edges, and motion blur. Higgsfield detects the subject and creates a clean alpha channel, so you can composite inside Resolve without sending the clip somewhere else. Draw to Edit is the creative cleanup tool. You sketch directly on the frame and tell the AI what area to change. Remove an object, replace part of the scene, add an element, clean up something distracting. Editors run into these small problems all the time, and Draw to Edit gives you a faster way to handle them. Then there is Upscale. Upscale is for old archive footage, low-resolution client clips, compressed downloads, screen recordings, and older masters that do not match the rest of the project. Instead of just stretching pixels, Upscale is designed to recover detail and bring footage closer to modern delivery standards, including 4K. Together, these tools cover real editing problems: format adaptation, compositing, cleanup, and quality recovery. These are not random AI tricks. They are things editors deal with constantly. The biggest reason this plugin matters is not just that it has 7 tools. It is where those tools live. Everything is inside one Higgsfield panel in DaVinci Resolve. That means AI becomes part of the edit instead of a separate process that interrupts the edit. If you are a YouTuber, you can generate visual inserts, reframe clips for shorts, improve old footage, create title assets, and clean up distractions without leaving Resolve. If you are an agency editor, you can move faster on revisions, test creative directions, build multiple deliverables, and handle client requests without bouncing between tools. If you create social content, Reframe alone can save a lot of time. And if you work with imperfect footage, remove background, Draw to Edit, and Upscale, help fix problems that used to slow down the project. The important thing is that you still stay in control. AI does not replace the edit. It gives you faster options inside the edit. You still decide what works, choose the best result, and adjust the timing, sound, color, and final composition. But now the AI tools are available where you actually need them, inside the timeline workflow. The installation is free. It works with DaVinci Resolve 19 or newer on Mac or Windows, using the version from Blackmagic's website, and both the free version and Resolve Studio are supported. For commercial work, generations are covered on paid Higgsfield plans. So if you edit in Resolve and want AI tools that actually fit into post-production, this is worth testing. Download the Higgsfield DaVinci Resolve plugin from the link below, install it once, open it through workflow integrations, and try it on a real timeline. A real project where you need a shot, a LUT, a reframe, a background removal, a cleanup, or an upscale. Because the best AI editing tool is not the one with the most impressive standalone demo. It is the one that helps you finish the actual edit faster.